Well, what are we doing today? I made a table. We took videos of how I assembled it, and I thought I'd share how I put it together. So we're gonna take a trip to it. I like the lighting in here, it's kind of nice, but we'll go outside, out and about, you and me. Let's go. Let's catch it.
Have a cat with my name, you will wear it out.
Boom. Okay. My table is, I like my beef. They're strong.
Really?
You know, I make tables and I do things. I like biscuits. I like dowels.
So you can explain first what you're doing.
Oh, putting biscuits in?
I just wanted to give everybody a little idea of how I attach stuff. I'm a little fussy when I glue things. Wiggle, wiggle, wiggle. Dowels have a good shear strength. That way when you press on them sideways, they don't break.
Put it in upside down.
Well, you are dyslexic a little bit.
Well, at least they shouldn't break.
No! God! I just double check. Make sure they have good glue coverage.
I like tables. I use a lot of tables. I takes it out, puts it in again. That's all I do. I take it out, put it in again. That sounded dirty. So I make sure that it goes in and comes out. Again with the dirty talk. Okay, never mind. When I put dowels in, I like to make sure that the glue is actually in the dowel and touching the dowel. So usually I'll squirt some glue in a hole and then I'll put a dowel tester in, or a tester dowel. Duh. And then I twist it and make sure that the glue is covering all sides of the hole and the dowel. If it's not, I add more glue. When you add glue, add enough glue, but not so much that it squirts out everywhere when you clamp it, because you just have to clean it up. So make sure you know how much glue you're adding, because glue is a good thing, but too much is not a good thing. That would be called a bad thing. But I guess I should show you what the table actually looks like. Finished. So let's go check that out. Butters, you want to look at my table?
I'm on my way.
Nimbus, what are you thinking?
You see no reasons for questions.
But thanks for watching. Hope you learned a little bit of how I attach some of my woodworking. I connected the wood to the wood and the wood to the steel. Oh, for good God, cats.